And Laura here. Today I'm going to do a soft wearable yellow eye. Yesterday I did a yellow eye as well, but it was a lot more bold and very yellow. And today I just wanted to do something a little softer. So I've used, for that nice bright yellow shimmer colour, I've actually used a highlighter today. So I'm going to be doing this look, and let's go and get on with it. So I'm going to start off today with my Face Profusion palette, and I'm just going to go into the transition colour in here. So it's just a light brown. So it's just a little bit darker than my skin tone. So I'm putting that in my crease and also on the outer 2/3 of my lid. Another beautiful spring day here. Sun is shining and the birds are all tweeting. The swallows are desperately trying to make nests all over our house and making a huge mess while they're doing it. I'm also going to go in with my fluffy brush and the cream colour. It's just a matte cream out of my Profusion palette. Getting down to the very last tiny little bit left in that palette for the cream. Just about finished that colour. I'm just going to brush through my eyebrows, which I forgot to do earlier. Just make them behave a bit better. So then I'm going to go in with my Master Drama Maybelline eyeliner in brownie gliz, and I'm just going to line my top lash. It's getting, because the weather's getting warmer, this is getting even softer. I thought it was good about a month ago, lovely and soft, but now it's even softer. Makes me wonder if when we get into summer, if I'm going to have to stick it in the fridge because it's going to get too runny. We'll have to wait and see. So I'm just going to use a angle brush. I might actually try and put some of it on my brush. I'm not really doing a wing, I'm just pulling the colour out a bit. So that's what that looks like. And then I'm going to go in with a flat brush and I'm going to try the yellow out of my Fantasy palette this time. Ooh, it's such a neat colour on there. And I'm just going to do it like a third of the way in. And I don't mind if it goes over the liner either. So I'm putting the colour on the brush and I'm sticking it on the inner third, and then as I get less product on the brush, I'm bringing it out to fade it out a bit towards the middle. And I'm going to get my fluffy brush. Tidy that up a bit. Then I'm going to go into my LA Girl Strobe Light strobing powder in 60 watt. Looks like this. And I'm going to go in with another flat brush. And we'll see if I need to wet this or not. It works. So I'm just trying to add a little bit of shimmer. I've been looking for a yellow shimmer eyeshadow rather than a gold, and I hadn't been able to find one, but then I realised that I had this highlighter which would work perfectly well for what I was trying to do, so I don't actually need one. And I think I might get my brown eyeliner. My brown eyeliner is getting quite short, so it's getting hard to find in my container now. So I'm just going to put that on the lower lash line. Just about a third of the way in. And I'm going to get my angle brush again. And I'm going to go back into my Face Profusion palette and my little tiny brush, and I'm just going to go into dark brown and just set that eyeliner, because if I don't set the eyeliner it will smudge on my eyes. I'm just going to wipe that off on my sponge, and I'm going to go back into the Fantasy palette and get that bright yellow there, and I'm just going to put that in between the dark brown and the highlighter. Tidy up around the edge a bit. And so now I just need to put mascara on. There's my Wearable Yellow Eye. Doesn't look quite even on this side, so I'll just fix it up before I do my mascara. So I was just wondering what it would look like if in the waterline I put a gold eyeliner. So this is designer brand Kohl pencil in gold. So I feel like that gold's a bit too dark and I can't really see it. So I'm going to try my NYX pencil in cashmere. So that's a bit pale kind of gold colour. So we'll see if that works better. Okay, I feel like that's just washed out pretty fast. I've seen other people use the NYX pencils and their waterline works fine, but mine must be just quite watery and it doesn't stay in there. So maybe I will try my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Highlighter in there instead. Because that one actually shows up. So that actually shows up at my waterline. And I don't think there's anything wrong with the pencils, it's just that stuff doesn't show up on my waterline very well. And it washes away quickly, no matter what product I use. So I'm going to use my Natio blush in Peach Glow today to go with my yellow eye look. And I've already put a bit of bronzer and a bit of highlight on. And I don't want to go in with my yellow highlighter for just a little pop here. I think I might go into my BYS Highlighter 2 palette, which has got a nice pale gold in there. I think I'd rather use that today. So I'm just going to get a little bit on my little e.l.f. bronzing brush. And just on the very tops. And give that a good buff. My hair's sticking to my face. Still getting glitter on my face from yesterday when I was using my NYX glitter. I'm still finding it everywhere. So now I think we're on to spraying my face. This one just about empty. It's not spraying very well now because it's nearly empty. So that's my Rimmel Fix and Go, just to take the powder down my face. And I'm going to put my lipstick on. I'm going to use my Rimmel Tiramisu lip liner first. And then I'm going to go in with my soft toffee Ulta 3 lipstick. Which is very well described because it is like a soft toffee. And we've finished my wearable yellow eyes. So I really like that look, and thanks for watching everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye.